When it comes to questions about great wine, listen to the experts at Colonial Wine and Spirits when they say, "Vino it all." Exceptional wine from Arkansas to Italy, Colonial Wine has the vintage you're looking for. This week, we asked the wine specialists, what does letting wine breathe mean?
Why is it important to let wine breathe? When you buy a bottle of wine and you first uncork it, the wine has been in the bottle for a long time. And when you pour it into your glass, you mix it with gin, which actually starts to open the wine. And when you swirl the glass and you kind of smell it, you get more and more aromas the longer the wine sits in the glass. That's why the last glass of wine out of a bottle is often the best, because the wine have had time to open up and breathe.
This has been another tip by the connoisseurs at Colonial Wine and Spirits, offering exceptional wine choices at vintage prices. Stop by 11601 West Markham or call 223-3120 and ask the experts who say, "Vino it all" at Colonial Wine and Spirits.